Hi guys, Shafiq here, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna tell you a very simple remedy to cure your kids' respiratory problems, including chest congestion, cold, flu and cough, etc. But at first, please subscribe to the channel and must hit bell button so that you never miss any latest upcoming video. Dear viewers, for this remedy, you need only two things, mustard oil and cloves. Mustard oil is being used for the massage of the body, which is very authentic. Similarly, cloves are a spice that is widely used to add flavor to various dishes. However, their contribution is not limited to adding flavor in dishes, but it provides various health benefits as well. Cloves' health benefits include improving digestion, fighting bacteria, preventing mutation, enhancing the immune system, fighting inflammation, supporting oral health, and curing the respiratory infection, etc. There are many other health benefits of cloves, but here in this remedy, we have focused on the above narrated health benefits of the cloves. I may discuss other health benefits of the cloves in another video. Anyhow, let's start at how to make this remedy. First of all, take 2 big spoons of mustard oil into a frying pan, then put it on the stove and lit the fire. Wait for some time and then put 1 teaspoon of cloves into the pan. Let's wait until cloves are cooked completely in the oil. Be sure that cloves must be burnt like coal. After this, filter the oil with the help of strainer. Guys, remedy is ready. Save this clove and mustard oil remedy. Well, whenever your child didn't feel well, have flu, congestion or other chest problem, then apply this remedy on the back area between the shoulders up to the last ribs of the kid's chest in a good manner. Similarly, apply this oil and massage on the front side of the chest up to the last ribs. This remedy will expel out all the mucus or phlegm accumulated in the chest, lungs through the nose and give relaxation to the muscles involved in breathing. You should apply this remedy up to 2 to 3 days regularly before sleeping time to your kid. Whenever necessary, you can make fresh oil and cloves remedy for better health benefits. As already have been discussed that this remedy also has the same effect on elders. So massage directly on your chest as well as the backside of your chest to get cured respiratory problems. Thanks for watching the video guys. If you have any question related to this remedy or any other question, then please comments below in the commenting section and also share this video with others on social network.